In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the Android Touch not working issue using simple and effective methods. So let's get started. First, restart your device. Press and hold the power button, then tap Restart. This can fix temporary system glitches causing the touch problem. Next, make sure your screen is clean. Dust, oil, or water droplets can affect touch sensitivity. Use a soft, dry cloth to wipe your screen. If you're using a screen protector or case, remove it. Sometimes low-quality or damaged protectors block touch response. If your phone recently got wet, it may cause touch issues. Dry your phone completely before using it again. To check if an app is causing the problem, boot into safe mode. Press and hold the power button, then tap and hold Power Off until safe mode appears. Tap OK. Or if touch works fine, uninstall recently installed apps. Go to Settings, Software Update, and install the latest updates. Updates often fix bugs and improve performance. Some phones have a touch sensitivity option in Settings display. Try turning it on or off to see if it helps. If nothing works, perform a factory reset. Go to Settings, General Management, Reset, Factory Data Reset. Don't forget to back up your data first. And that's it. If this video helped you, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more useful tips. Thanks for watching.